Welcome back to Review Revolt, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Hyekit FGG MADLIONS MAD 60 HE RGB. A 60% wired magnetic switch mechanical gaming keyboard that promises high performance and customization. For serious gamers and enthusiasts alike. Right off the bat, the MAD 60 HE RGB stands out with its compact 60% layout. This means it's smaller than a full-sized keyboard, cutting down on desk space while still packing in all the essential keys. This size is perfect for gamers who want more room for mouse movement or for those who often travel and want a portable yet powerful keyboard. One of the most impressive features is its magnetic PO switches, specifically the Pro version. These switches use Hall effect technology, which means they rely on magnets rather than physical contact to register keystrokes. This leads to a virtually wear-free operation, increased durability, and super low latency. The keyboard supports an incredible 8000 Hz polling rate with a 32K scan rate, allowing for lightning-fast key response times with only 0.125 milliseconds of latency. For competitive FPS games like Valorant and CS2. This kind of precision and speed can really elevate your gameplay by allowing you to react faster and shoot more accurately. The keyboard also features what's called rapid trigger mode, with an actuation distance as low as 0.02 mm. That's incredibly sensitive, meaning you don't have to press the key down very far for it to register. This is ideal for rapid shooting or executing complex combos in games where milliseconds count. Customization is a big selling point here. The MAD 60 HE RGB comes with a proprietary web-based driver that allows you to remap keys, create macros, and customize the RGB lighting effects. Speaking of lighting, the keyboard features 16 million colors with fully adjustable RGB LEDs. The side-printed keycaps are designed to let the lighting shine through beautifully, creating an immersive visual experience that you can tailor to your style or game environment. Build quality is solid, with double-shot keycaps that resist wear and fading over time, adding to the longevity of the keyboard. The keyboard's black finish gives it a sleek and professional look that fits well in both gaming setups and office environments. Connectivity is straightforward with a USB-C wired connection, ensuring stable and fast data transfer without the lag you might experience on wireless keyboards. The keyboard is compatible with both PC and Mac, so it covers a broad range of users. Another thing to note is the keyboard's weight and size. It weighs just under 2 pounds and measures about 13.7 by 7.2 inches, making it both sturdy enough to stay put during intense gaming sessions and compact enough for portability. Now, who is this keyboard for? If you're a competitive gamer looking for a responsive, fast, and customizable keyboard, especially if you're into FPS games, the MAD 60 HE RGB offers features tailored for high-level performance. Its adjustable actuation and rapid trigger mode give you a competitive edge, while the magnetic switches promise durability and a unique typing feel. On the flip side, if you prefer a full-sized keyboard with dedicated function keys and a number pad, this compact 60% layout might take some getting used to. However, for those prioritizing speed, accuracy, and desk space, this keyboard hits the mark. Overall, the Hyekit FGG MADLIONS MAD 60 HE RGB packs professional esports-grade features into a compact and durable design, with premium magnetic switches and ultra-fast response times. Its extensive customization options and vibrant RGB lighting add both function and flair. That wraps up our look at the MAD 60 HE RGB keyboard. If you're interested in a high-performance compact keyboard that can keep up with the fastest gamers, this might just be the one to check out. Thanks for watching Review Revolt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech reviews. Catch you in the next video.